I'm gonna be honest, recently it has felt like I've been holding back on my YouTube channel. It's not intentional, but I want to change that now to 10x the value that I'm providing to you through my content. It's actually really exciting to me, so I want to dive into that with you now, including two big changes for my channel. First, I'm gonna be uploading once a week now instead of twice a week, and along with that, I'm gonna very much be increasing the quality of my videos by really leaning into what makes me stand out as an AI content creator and educator. And so I'll dive into what all that means. This is going to be very much raw footage right now. I just want to give you a quick, transparent update for things that are changing, things that I'm very excited about as well. Now, here's the thing. I started my YouTube channel about 11 months ago, and that entire time I stuck with the exact same schedule. 2 videos a week every Sunday and Wednesday at 7 o'clock Central Time. And obviously, that consistency has served me very well. My channel has exploded over the last 11 months to something I could have even dreamed of when I began, and I'm very grateful for that. But it is time for that schedule to change. When you first start your YouTube channel, it makes sense to focus a lot on quantity, and I was very much doing that with 2 videos a week. It's how you learn really fast, to see what works, and just get your ideas out there on the internet. That's what I did. But once you establish your initial audience, and I very much feel like I've done that, it makes sense to shift more to focus on the quality of videos. So less content, but the videos that I do want to put out, I want them to be extremely high quality, like 10x the value of all the other videos I've been putting out at this point. And that's what I want to do for you now. And going down to 1 video a week is definitely going to make that possible. You have no idea how many amazing ideas I've had for content that I haven't gotten around to doing yet simply because of how long it would take to make that video. I'm talking full master classes, diving into RAG strategies and combining them together, building AI agents from start to finish and truly productionizing them, taking my open source projects to the next level like Archon and the local AI package. Those are the kind of things that I want to really invest into now, spending 25 hours per video. And that's what I can do going down to 1 a week, because I already spend at least 10 hours per video doing 2 a week right now. And I really feel like, even aside from having more time, I feel like I have more skills to make that happen now. Especially building out the AI agent mastery course for the Dynamous community, I have pushed my skills to the next level. I've really gone to that next level, being able to make this kind of super high quality content for you to really make me stand apart, so that every single video I can have on my channel will give you a substantial benefit to your AI journey. That's the goal that I have for you now. And don't worry, if you like my content right now and you get a lot out of it, it's going to remain that way. It's not this kind of substantial shift where I'm completely reinventing the things that I focus on. It really is just upping the quality and going deeper in the things that I already cover for you. So for example, if I were to build on an AI agent in a 20-minute video right now, I might turn it into a 40-minute video where I actually show you how to bring the agent into a production environment. So same kind of topic, same things that will apply to you and resonate with you, but just going at a deeper level to make sure you really have what it takes to build AI agents with big impact that are production ready. So I hope that makes sense. I really don't want to sway you away from watching my content. I want this to be a 10x in value for you. And I still very much want to have my same introductory shorter content as well, introducing you to new agent frameworks or tools or ways to build agents, but I definitely want to now combine that with my super high quality content that takes a lot of prep on my part, having a really good balance there to really make my channel stand out for you. And that actually brings me to the last thing that I want to talk to you about, which is the reason behind me doing this kind of reinventing of myself and my channel. Because here's the thing, over the past few months, there has been an explosion of AI content creators on YouTube. And I don't want to call them competition. I respect a ton of them. I have a personal relationship with some of them. I've supported many of them directly. I don't want to call them competition, but viewership is split between these different content creators. And I've seen across the board, viewership is just kind of a tough thing to manage right now for any content creator in the AI space. And so what I want to do is really make myself stand apart. I think as viewership gets split, it just becomes even more and more important over time to really lean into what makes me stand out over other people in the AI space. Not that you would watch me exclusively, but that there would be a continuous reason for you to come to me along with any other content creators that you watch. And I have been thinking about this a lot over the past couple of months and getting a lot of feedback from you guys on YouTube and then also in my Dynamous community of what makes me stand out. And I've really landed on what that is. It all goes back to my motto that I share on YouTube and in my Dynamous community all of the time: capabilities, not tools. That's what I try so hard to lean into with everything that I teach. And here's what I mean by that. You and I, and everyone who is learning about generative AI, is doing it to solve a specific problem or maybe multiple problems. And no matter what you are building for yourself or your business, the most important thing is the capabilities that you are building, not the underlying tools that you are using. And I see so many people get super married to using specific tools when they're building AI agents and other things with generative AI. And that is so dangerous because of how fast the AI landscape is evolving. If you get super sucked into using a specific tool and you spend thousands and thousands of hours mastering it, you never know when that tool is going to become irrelevant. And I guarantee it will get to the point where you're using a tool that is not optimal for the problem just because you're so married to using it. And so when I talk about capabilities, I'm talking about learning the higher leverage skills that transcend any individual tool you could be using. Things like design patterns and architecture, the systems that go into building AI agents, and the best practices, what it takes to build a truly production-ready AI agent. These are the kind of skills that you should put most of your time into learning that, like I said, transcend the individual tools you could be using. So learning tools is good. You need to do it, and that's why I focus on it somewhat on my channel. But then learning capabilities and these higher leverage skills is great. That's where more of your time should be put. And that's what I focus on so much on my channel. And I want to keep doing that even more with this new kind of content that I want to create for you. Like, for example, when I say building an AI agent from start to finish, I literally mean having like a 1.5 hour or 2 hour video where I go from planning an agent to prototyping it to building it out in code with an AI coding assistant, and then containerizing it and deploying it and securing it and scaling it, going through that entire process, picking certain tools along the way, but showing you the kind of design decisions and what goes on in my head as I build these agents to really make it so that you can follow along, use that exact same process for anything that you want to build. Building a system that can scale, that can work with any tools that you have. You learn the things to take your agents that far. That is my goal for you. So in summary, I'm moving down to one video a week to 10x the quality of my content for you, especially because I'll be leaning more into what really makes me stand out, which is my emphasis on capabilities over tools. Really helping you learn what it takes to build production-ready AI agents to have a big impact with AI, not just building toys or simple automations. That's what I've got for you, and I'm kicking it off actually this Wednesday with a local AI masterclass, which I cannot wait for. Already going to be providing a lot more value to you with that, so I hope you're looking forward to that, and with that, I will see you in the next video.